Good morning, everybody. Porch light here. Look at this beauty. Goji berries. Now, I planted out those pepper plants I was talking about. So they're out there. Those are the ones I bought from the store. But all this is me, y'all. Everything here is planted by seed. Look at that. Look at this guy. Even all this stuff. Cilantro. Late spring. Pepper plant. This okra look a little unhealthy, so we about to get some fertilizer there. But look at these peppers, y'all. Grown from seed. Look at this dude. Wonderful. Healthy peas. Cucumber. All right, y'all. Grow your food. Porch light out.